Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today, guys. If you're first time here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload new videos, okay? You're landed here because you're looking online right now for a way to make money from home or make money online, supplement your income. This is a full-time affiliate marketing page. That's what I do, full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you how to make money online, guys, with different opportunities, okay? But I'm back with easy one-up. Just want to show you this thing works. If you just put your stuff out there, guys, just get exposure, run traffic, all the different methods that we show you how to do, different ways that you can do this. It absolutely works. This is a program that I love, that I've been a part of for quite some time now. It's been around for 3 years, okay? It is actual education, okay? Internet marketing courses to teach you how to market online. This digital product, you can access it from anywhere as long as you have internet access. And you can use any smart device to do so, okay? So you can actually learn while you earn, okay? So let's take a look here. Just want to show you. This came in while I was actually sleeping after 2 o'clock in the morning, okay? So autopilot income, passive income. Set your systems up and let the systems do the selling and telling for you, okay? Hang on 1 second. Alright, I'm going to show you that. Hang on 1 second. Learn to leverage the power of the internet, guys. That's what it's all about. Alright, so hold on, let me show you real quick here. And I want you to get started so you can get access to these great bonuses I have. Hang on a second. Okay, guys. Okay, right here, as you can see on the screen, there was a Stripe payment that came in. I use Stripe, I use Cash App, you know, any way you want to receive your money, but I accept all of those different payment methods. But you can see right here, Vertex payment $250 at 2:15 a.m. Okay, so if you actually do the work, follow instructions, you too can have these payments coming to you. So you see that at 2:15 in the morning, right? I was not up, okay? So I woke up. There you have it, okay? So easy one up, guys. Get in this program. It's been around for, it'll be 3 years in August. It's an instant pay, direct member-to-member program, okay? So you're going to be paid directly from the person that joins you. There's no middleman. You don't have to wait on a paycheck to come in the mail. Any of those things, okay? You're paid directly. So, get started. We have several levels here. Okay, this little video is going to play and do all the selling and telling for you. But I highly recommend you come in at the 100 or higher. The higher you come in, the better for you. The bigger the commissions you're going to make. But for my bonus that I have, you got to at least come in at the Elevation Elite level. Okay? So, pick one of these levels. 100, 250, 500, 1,000, or $2,000 level. Get started. You got a one-up comp plan in here. Your first sale you're going to keep. The second sale you would pass up. Okay? So, very simple program, and not to mention all the education you're going to get. Look at all these courses that you're going to get here. Okay? This thing works. Total automation. It sets up the person. You don't have to worry about doing anything to set them up. Once they make the payment, you mark them as paid, and they get an email from the company. They log in. They ready to rock and roll. Okay? So what I'm going to do for this person is go ahead and reach out to her, get her the information that I promised, my bonuses, and we'll get that going. Okay? So, with that being said, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you're notified of every time I upload new videos. But let's leverage the power of the internet, guys. You can't lose if you do the work. Okay? Do the work. It will happen for you as well. Okay? So, let's get you started today. Give me a call. I'm going to give you some leads to get you started, guys. I'm going to give you a choice of some things, so call me. We'll talk about it. But I'm going to help you get you started, and we're going to work together and helping you get this thing going. Okay. All right, guys. Until next time. See you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.